It's another Real Talk Philippines exclusive for Fashion Forty Season 25, and we have a stunning model all the way from Las Piñas, and we have Ashley. Hi, Ashley.
Hello po. Hi, I am Ashley, 21, from Las Piñas City, your aspiring candidate for the upcoming Mutya ng Pilipinas 2026.
Wow, I'm so excited, and we're so honored to have a aspiring contender for the Mutya ng Pilipinas. Diba? So ano yung pakiramdam na magiging part ka ng role of candidates for Mutya ng Pilipinas?
Actually, very pressured po, but I am very exhilarated to know na I can move up or step up in the national pageant po.
And of course, this kind of event is also your stepping stone, syempre, to boost your confidence. Tama?
Yes po, actually, it is my fourth time na po.
Wow.
So, I wanna thank Mami Nardi for having me today po.
But for this event, you will be wearing the collection of Justine of Satines Life. Tama?
Yes po.
So, ano yung pakiramdam that you're wearing this dress?
Well, actually, it is my first time to wear this kind of clothing po. So I am very happy po right now, and as well very confident since I am her opening model po.
Wow. Actually, there's a lot of female young ladies out there wanted to be a model and also wanted to join pageants, pero may mga reservation sa sarili nila. Ano yung advice or payo na pwede mong ibigay sa kanila?
Always took the opportunity when it comes to us na po, kasi there will be no second chance po, but then continue to soar high, of course, with our feet still on the ground po.
Very well said. Thank you very much, and good luck on your pageant.
Thank you so much po. Thank you once again, guys.
And that's it from us here at Real Talk Philippines Fashion Forty Season 25.